So, I made this video because there was this comment. The last time I used Blur was 2 years ago. And it seems like they've really improved it. Just so you know, this isn't a tutorial, but I'll still be trying out the 3D camera. In Blur, it's not just a 3D camera like this. But you can create a 3D camera like this. This is usually called a 3D rotate camera. That's why I want to try it, because a Light Motion doesn't have this feature. This is new to me, so I'll take a look. Alright, that's enough, time to try out the 3D camera. I see, I have to enable 3D to adjust the X, Y, and Z axes to create 3D movement. The rotate section works like the flip layer effect in a Light Motion, it's easy to adjust. I think I need to adjust the Z axis for the 3D depth positioning. Yeah, this feels familiar. Alright, it's done. Now it's time to add a null to move the 3D camera. Make sure, all layers you want to move have 3D enabled. I'm not sure how to explain it, but you just need to try it yourself to understand how to control the movement. For the next movement, I'll add another null to make it smooth. It's done, but this isn't the result I wanted. Well, I'll try to fix it. Alright, now the result looks much better. After that try, I spent 30 minutes, learning and creating an edit in Blur, using this 3D rotate. Maybe I'll make a tutorial next time using the AMV version. Well, let's take a look at the result of this 3D rotate. I think this will get copyrighted, so you'll hear overlapping music. And here's the result. That's the simple edit I made in Blur, just music, text, shapes, and 3D camera with rotate. Literally, it's the first edit I've made using Blur after 2 years. So, you can request tutorials or the next video in the comments, just like I made this video even though it's not a tutorial. I think that's all for now, and see you in the next video.